What's going on, guys? Captain Will and Bobby here. We're heading down to Naples for a little road trip, and I'll go ahead and let them tell you what we're doing.
So we're going to go pick up a little boat that we're going to be doing a video series of. We're going to be making this boat into a DDR bass tournament boat. So over the next few months we'll be shooting a series of making the boat up to our standards and what we want it to look like. If you guys have any tournaments that you think that we should be fishing in the next year or so, leave it down in the comments.
Yeah, we're gonna use this boat mostly so we don't have to trailer so many boats back and forth across the state and stuff like that. And any good ideas that you guys want done to this boat, go ahead and leave them down in the comment. We'll try them out. Maybe we won't, but go ahead and shoot your shot. But other than that, check out our Instagram, check out our YouTube, and hope you like the video.
Yeah, you good. Blooper's real.
Hey guys, so you just saw the boat that we were heading down to pick up. The trailer we brought, it actually fit very nicely on, so that was a plus. And we got to pick it up in Naples. No better place. I mean, it was beautiful out there and a little humid, but you know, that's what it is.
There's a little trouble finding a boat ramp that was open. We ended up having to go all the way down to Marco Island, like 25-30 minutes away from this guy's house. And then it was definitely interesting getting the boat on the trailer. The guy did not know how to back into the ramp, and then he backed off of the ramp with his trailer in the water and almost lost it into the current. So very interesting day. We still got another about 4 hours ahead of us, so it's gonna be a long night. We'll get this boat a little bit ripped apart in the next few days, what we want off of it, and start getting it back together and what we want done. So hope you guys liked the video and keep watching for future videos.
Yeah, this is the first video of the series, so you guys will take you in depth of all our other tear down, how to reconstruct the boat, you know, if you want to go one way with it, really nice, you know, just get it out there on the water. But we're going to be videotaping it all for you, so stay tuned. Check out our Instagram and YouTube at DDR Fishing. Peace.